if you're editing the feature and you need a music bed uh, for when you have sound bites or speeches, and the music itself has a lot of vocals, or it's just not doesn't feel conducive to adding more audio in. Try to find an instrumental version of the song or a karaoke version and just sync it up. You can find spot even if the tempo of the tracks or the instrumentation is different. Uh, you can find where the chorus and the verse change, something like that, and then you can basically cut it in there. So even if you don't have to necessarily get a perfect cut between the songs, but usually that is possible too. But don't think that if you found a version and you really can't find anything that's identical, you can still use what you have by trying to match up certain sections of the song and just creatively get those sound bites in those sections. So you may have to plan out the edit with thinking about those, making sure that you're going to put the sound bites down in the right section for that part of the track.